Hey guys, I'm going to be playing Royal High with my cousin Floraxi Shun, whatever that is. So, yeah, let's join. Okay, so I'm in the game. I have all of these, and I'm saving up for something that's 6,500 gems, and I got 3,181. So I'm gonna go to the lucky spin wheel. So, yeah. So, I'm at the spin wheel and okay, let's see what these look like. Oh, these are actually cute. Okay, so next stop, um, my computer. Okay, so, okay, here we go. Yeah, not that, but last time I got 100, so yeah, I probably was going to get 200. All right, now let's go to the Fountain of Dreams. Alright guys, so I'm at the Fountain of Dreams. So let's um click it, I guess. You don't have to read the whole thing. I don't really read it. I just like skim through it. But sometimes I don't even read it at all. Okay. No. Okay, yeah, let's just go to my cousin. Ready? Okay. Why can't I move? Okay. We are where my cousin is. And actually, whoops. I'll come back later. Okay, so I am back, and that place doesn't fit me anymore. I see. Okay, so yeah, let's get a locker. Uh, okay, I've never been to this place, so I don't really know what to do. I think you're supposed to put this in the ice one. Okay, there it is. Oops. Oh, that's cute. What the heck is that? Can I go in there? Okay, guys, I jumped in here, so if you guys go to Enchanted Tribe, here's the solution. Make sure you get ice and come in this place. Okay. So let's go to Sunset Island so we can get some gems if we want. Okay, I am back. And oh my gosh, she's so pretty. That was 20,000 gems. How did she get that? Well, pick an 0, 100. I'm going to be, I don't know. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? I never knew you could get that. Well, whatever. Okay, so I'll show you what I look like when I am done. Okay, so here I am a teen, and yeah. Let's just wait. Oh my god. How do people get so good at these? I can't even afford anything. Okay, so I'll just get back to you guys when we are voting. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so we are right here. Okay, I'll come back to you when I get on, you know, like go on the stage. Okay, I'm up. Here we are. Alright, so let's see who wins. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I won. Okay, this is just... Okay, and also level up. And now I'm level 20 and I have 4,442. And I just need 2,000 more. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so it's good versus evil. Let's see what we can do here. Maybe black and red hair. And I'll get to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so this is my outfit. Alright, so I'm actually really pretty close to getting what I want. I'll show you what I want to get. Okay, so this is what I want. It's 6,500. I only have this much, so I'm really saving up to get it. I actually turned good because she's my enemy now. My cousin. So yeah. I try to change really quickly, and this is what I got. Okay. Okay, months. There's so many bad. Like there are only two good people. Like I was bad before, and then I'm good because she's my enemy. And a lot of people speak Spanish or whatever language that is. So yeah. Okay, let's just skip to the part. Let's skip to the part. Oh my gosh. Let's skip to the part where to see who wins. Okay. So she gets 300 or 400, whatever. Okay, I'm definitely winning. It's 1,000. Come on, cross your fingers. Oh my gosh, it's my cousin. Okay, that will be enough for today. Bye.